So in this video, I'll be making a belt sander dowel maker. It's for making tapered dowels and different size dowels very quick. So the first thing I'll do is take this block of maple and drill some holes in it. So here I've got the 3 holes drilled, and now I'm going to cut it on the table saw. So there I have the 3 drilled and cut on the table saw. So here I'm just going to drill the hole for the bolt. So here I just use the Forstner bit to make a little hole. Now these pieces can fit together. So I can now put these together, and I'll just put some screws in it in case I ever have to take it apart. So this piece is complete, and I just put the spring on there, and I built this little box, and it'll fit in here like this. I will just put the wing nut on, and that's for the adjustment. So now it's ready to go on the sander. So now I'm going to put it on the sander, and it sits freely on the sander by itself because I've let the sander run through and notch a small piece out. Here's to show you the small notch. I cut some different strips here, all different sizes, and I'll put them in my drill and show you some samples. So here are some of the dowels that I made. The dowel maker tapers the dowels very nice, and as you can see here, Here's some dowels. These ones look like chopsticks. This is a piece of oak. And many different sized dowels. So when you need to make dowels very quickly, it works very good, and also for tapered dowels. So it worked out quite well, and I'm glad I made it, and I certainly will find a lot of uses for it.